Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are safe at home. If at office, keep social distancing and stay safe. Welcome to you, Param Consulting Engineers Private Limited, a leading MEP company. Today's topic: point should not be a jugaad. In this modern life, electrical energy play a vital role. Almost all of the appliances machines are operated electrically nowadays. No one can imagine life without electric power. In any residential, office or industrial project, lighting, fan and power plug points, wiring are the most important part of the electrical work. In daily life, you hear so many cases of fire due to the short circuit in the house. These are happen because of jugaads. Do you think that we should go with jugaads for point wiring? In a project where drawings are available, the point wiring are laid as per Indian standard and skilled electrician work for you is okay. Proper electrical drawings with wire sizes, color coding, conduit sizes are provided by your consultant. But in project where drawings are not available and a one man God for you, your Bijli wala, he is capable to do all the electrical work for you. He has lot of jugaads to fix your problems in routine. But how you ensure that wiring done are proper or not? Jugaad done by Bijli wala. Wrong color coding, undressed distribution boards, multiple wires terminate at one point, direct connection, undersized wires, taping in switchboards, direct connections and many more jugaads Bijli wala done for you in a very reasonable price. Electrical standards and norms are provided for your safety and protection. Some standards are keep in mind while purchasing the electrical wires and hardwares and installation of point wiring. Some standards are very common to us like ISI mark, UL listed, NFPA, National Building Codes, CPWD, etc. What standard says about point wiring? National Building Code of India 2016 provides a complete section for electrical and allied installations. It says for final sub-circuit for fan and lighting wiring shall have a nominal cross-section area not less than 1.5 square mm and for power 2.5 square mm. Wire sizes. Wire should be multi-strand FRLS wire. FRLS means fire retardant low smoke and wiring shall be done as per NBC 2016 standard. Refer this table. NBC also tell about load on a circuit. The light sub-circuit shall be designed within the permissible limit of 800 watts or 10 points per circuit. The design basis of circuits shall be limited to a voltage drop of 2.5% maximum. The color band of PVC copper wire both in single phase and three phase distribution should be maintained. There are some wiring details, wiring diagram for a typical distribution scheme provided by NBC. A table, permissible number of single core wire in a conduit. This table is for PVC conduit. Then, what are the good practice for point wiring? Wires in a distribution board should be properly dressed. Proper wire joints, wire termination with lugs and proper connection inside switchboard. These are some checkpoints to help you to test the point wirings. Number of wires in conduit should be as per table provided. Two different phases circuit should not be run in a one conduit. Phase and earth wire sizes for point wiring should be as per standards. The termination of wire should be tightened properly. For wire, termination lug should be used. For point and circuit wire should not have any joint throughout wire length from point to switchboard or distribution board. Connector should be used to joint two wires, no tapping recommended. MCB board should be properly dressed. With the above practice and to follow some standards, you can make your house point wiring system good and hazardous free. Make your electrical system good and healthy. Hope this video helped you to understand point wiring. Thank you very much. For latest video and updates, please subscribe our channel.